here's how you can fix when the iPhone is offline. So that is kind of a broad topic, but let me cover all of the important information one by one. So let's get started. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if your iPhone cannot reach the internet connection, I would just swipe down to access the control center from the top right and see what's really going on, right? Because in here you have the controls of everything. If you have the internet through Wi-Fi, you can see if you are connected or if you have the Wi-Fi enabled. Same thing for the cellular data, which has its own control right here. So instead, if you don't want to use Wi-Fi, you can enable the cellular data and have that enabled, right? And make sure that you get to the internet through these two ways. However, if it doesn't work or glitches out for some reason, it is generally recommended to enable the airplane mode, which disconnects you from all of the internet access options. Wait a bit and then disable the airplane mode to see if you come back online. And usually it helps, depends on the situation, but it's definitely worth giving a try. But if it still doesn't work, then we have to go further. Like, let's say that we have a problem with the Wi-Fi. So of course, we open up the main settings, go to the main Wi-Fi section and see if we are connected. And if so, it is possible to expand more information about the network. Click on forget and then rejoin it again. Sometimes this quick reset gets the job done and it makes you come back online. Right? When it comes to the cellular data, similarly, you can go to the settings, tap on a cellular and kind of like reset it right there. And then it would hopefully make it work, right? But still, there might be the issue that the Wi-Fi that you are connecting to simply doesn't have any internet, so perhaps it may not even be your fault. In each case, once you get access to the internet, it would be a good idea to have the speed test app installed on your device, which always gives you the ability to check out how fast your internet is and if you are actually connected, right? A lot of times it says that the Wi-Fi is like connected and turn on, that it should work fine, but I then just open up the speed test and perform it, and then I basically see that how fast my internet gets and so on. So based on that, I can actually see if it works or not. One last thing in order to make it work would be by going to the settings, tapping general, and at the bottom you have transfer or reset iPhone. And what you can do is to click on reset like that and click on reset network settings. So that's something that you can most definitely do. I would not really do that unless I really have to, because it will reset all of the connections and it will forget the Bluetooth devices as well as Wi-Fi passwords, but it is definitely something you can try as well. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.